Hey everybody, welcome to 6.2. Most of what you need is on this page, 364, where you have these proportions. In your practice workbook, you'll see that these will happen over and over again, so you just need to look on these and see if things are true or not. Make sure you follow the patterns here. Also, you kind of just need to look over here, Mn over Rs, Np over St, and plug in the values as you go along to solve for the different variables. What this chapter also gets into is scale factor. Here's a picture of Thailand. Thailand is really small right now, but Thailand's not this small. It's huge. So we have a scale factor. You can see scale factors on maps, and really this far is about 50 miles. So if I put my finger here, well, really from Bangkok to, let's say, Pattaya is about 50 miles. Maybe that says 150. Oh, who cares? Anyways, maps, scale factors, all these proportions, check it all out and finish 6.2.
And welcome to a quick lesson on 6.2, okay? We're going to copy and complete the statement. We're going to find these question marks. But to find all of these, and for most of this section, you need to know that if A divided by B equals C divided by D, then you know that you can flip it. B divided by A is going to equal D divided by C, okay? There's a couple more. I'll write them over here. You also need to know that if A divided by B equals C divided by D, then you know that also you can switch it and say that A divided by C, take this divided by this, A divided by C equals B divided by D. And there's one final one. If you know this fact, then you know that also A plus B divided by B is going to equal C plus D divided by D. You just added the B up top. Okay? But let's just look at the first one. So if we're looking at the first one, then we're going to say, well, look at this, 6x and 5y. Oh, 6 and 5. Oh, 6 and 5. Oh, let's look at this one. We can say A and C, A divided by C, therefore B divided by D. So we're going to say, instead of 6, 5 is going to equal x divided by y. And you can use these for the rest of them. Decide whether it's true or false. Is it true or false? If x divided by y equals 8 divided by 3, can y divided by x equal 3 divided by 8? The answer is true. Yes, because we're using this one up here. Notice that? Okay, now use these formulas to find the rest of them. Now let's look down here. Use the diagram and given information to find the unknown length. Well, we know that AB divided by BC equals AE divided by ED. Find BC. We don't know B to C. So we know that AB, let's just put in 6, divided by, what's BC? BC is our unknown value. And AE is 12, divided by ED, which is 4. Let's cross multiply. Let's say 6 times 4 equals BC times 12. 6 times 4 is 24, which equals BC times 12. Divide both sides by 12. BC equals 2. So that's a 2. And that's our final answer. Excellent. So let's keep on moving on. There's lots of word problems here. If M and P and Q, 4 different numbers, and the proportion M divided by N equals P divided by Q is true, which of the following is false? Well, can MQ equal PN? M times Q, P, N times P, that's cross multiplication. That's true. It's up to you to find out if the other two have to be false. I'll just tell you anyways. Look, we have N and M can be switched, and Q and P can be switched, and you can add M. Yes, this is true. Okay? And M equals P and N equals Q? False. How would we possibly know that these numbers equal each other? We know that these proportions equal each other, but we don't know that they equal each other. Let's keep on moving down. Look through this error analysis, do the map scale. You basically just want to do 2.4 divided by 36 to find the scale, which is the scale factor. collinear points. Use cross multiplication here. Here, oh, let's set this up. So I buy something for $25,000. So we have $25,000, which is going to equal a proportion that we know, 22,500, and then there's the additional sales tax. So we have 22,500 divided by 1575, and it should be directly proportional. Find that x. Cool? You can find this by knowing that we have a scale of 1 to 5.4. Use that, but we should change the 1 inch, or the feet, to inches. Make sure you change feet to inches. Let's keep on moving. Up, the ink is seeping through. Here, we know that in 2005 we have 10.77 to 1. So dollars to 1. So we have 10.77 dollars to 1, which is going to equal, well, the pesos is on the bottom. So let's put the x over 205. Solve the proportion. Get it? Try the next one. Moving on. Canadian dollars. It's the same idea as the one above. Set up a proportion and you should be fine. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you do all your homework.